They go reach this morning, birds they cry for my window.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can know anytime we post video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Today is the part 2 of our story, Inside Life. And the crying bird. Yes. Okay. So, as I dey talk and they come from the part 1, the Oyibo come dump me for inside church. He say na church na I belong. So the church people, they can't give me one small place when I go dey manage the stay. They can't dey see how the office help me. Then from there, they can't help me with lawyer. I can't get my own personal lawyer. My lawyer, they try to tell them, say me they not deport me. Why my husband take a very good lawyer, say they must deport me. It can't remain few months, may my documents expire. And no way I will fit a renewal. I can't they hide, they go for Switzerland. I don't know what I want to. There's somebody where I see for inside train, one black. He can't help me for one work of McDonald's. The work where he help me now, no contract work. He get the way the work be because they not fit give me work. So the work when this man help me, I will go they clean inside McDonald's, the toilet and those things. He get the way the man help me, they do the work. So the work, he not get contracts. But being I say now the black man be the manager for there, so he try best to make sure say he help me for that place. Say me I just dey get small thing for my hand. I can't do the work. I dey do the work. Sometimes midnight I go finish for the work. You know say they say if person when they keep person they come, the one when go save am, he go they follow am, they waka they come. One night as I clean toilet finish, I just they sing praises, they go, they worship God, they sing, they go. Now I see one young man, Oyibo, he park for front. He say wetin I dey sing. Now say I dey sing praises to Almighty God. He say he say where I dey go. Now tell am say see where I dey go. He say okay, me I enter, he go help me for lift. Now so I take enter. He can't go drop me for the small house where be say church people give me when I dey. Can't tell me say whether I fit give am my number. Now say yes, of course I can't give am my number. And he can't say whether if he can't dey greet me. I say yes. So he can't greet me. So he won't come again. Now tell am say this place they know they allow visitor. And this place when me come they stay, it can't be like say the case, me they lose the case. So they want really deport me. So they can't say make I come out for that place. I don't get where I want to stay again. Now I can't call this Oyibo. I say I feel come your house. He can't say make I come. I can't dey house. I can't begin to stay with her for there. But I not tell her my situation. I not tell her say I fell marry, say na pursue, they pursue me they go. Or I dey run for deportation. I not tell her. So as I come they stay with her, he not say 9 o'clock come enter, belle come enter. And this belle, it can be twins. Now he come tell me say, as I don't get belle for her, so I need to go hospital. Now I tell her say me, I know they go hospital because me, I dey dodge. Now there I come open up. Now I come tell her say, see wetin happen. How this man take carry me come, see wetin dey happen. Wetin cause quarrel today, I no fit talk wetin cause quarrel. Because this man a good man, he no offend me for one thing. All of a sudden, he pursue me come up for a house. Say na church I belong, make I go stay inside church. Now he tell me, now this man come they tell me, say me for tell am for the beginning, say see the situation where I dey. If or no, now tell am say make e no vex so. I don't know say this relationship self it will come lead to pikin. Now he come to say you need to take another lawyer so that you don't get belle for me now. Now my children, now you carry so they not fit deport you with my children. And so he can't take lawyer, they can't fight, he can't do everything. Thank God, everything can't turn up to be good for me. I can't born twins, boy and girl, beautiful children. Now so I can't take day, I can't deal with this my oyibo. Then I don't know wetin push me again, because ever since then when I get that problem and my papa come dey stay with my younger ones for the house when that first oyibo built for me, e come dey get problem with them. They come dey get problem for there. It can't be like say if they give the children stress. So now I can't say, and couple with wetin happen to me wey be say I just say papa come enjoy. Oyibo for show me come up for us. And for house for there, they quanta papa do this, they report papa up and down. Now he say papa abeg go back to village. Now so papa take go back to village. He no know say as papa go back to village, the worst na come be. As I can see this man, everything dey okay with this man. This man they do good work. This man they help me. This man they, in short, the man just dey nice to me. It can't be like say another way open again for me. Now I can tell this man say I for like make my family come Switzerland. At least even if say they not come stay, make them come for visit. At least make them still enjoy Europe life. Then this my new husband can say okay, no problem, make them come. Now we go do paper. We want to invite my younger ones and my papa. Now there, I think I make another mistake for there again. Now because he go call my papa, I don't born no, I born twins so, and this time around, I want to bring you and my younger ones come Europe. My papa don't vex for what it don't happen. To even come Europe self, it not dey in mind again. I don't know say another thing that come dey in mind. We do the visa, do. They not give them visa. But not be say they not give them visa, can't be the problem. The problem can't be say, me, I can't be like say, another problem, they come again. Why it be say, anytime I want to connect to my papa, I go dey get problem. Now I call my papa, now I comfort him. Now say, papa, wetin I do you when be say, you not train me. I see they try to want to take you as father. You dey popo me. Now my papa say, no be dey popo me oh. He say now that my mama brother, now they popo me because say that my first husband not buy tipper for her. Now he make him dey popo me. He say he don't go give him paper. Make he come answer query why he dey popo me. Now say before I think say now he dey popo me, but not be him. Now you, papa, now you dey worry me. He say not be him oh. Because the way things can't be now, it can't get as it be. So it could be say they won't even try to pour craze, but that craze it not work. So my body go they hish me. I can't go Nigeria. I can't go bath because they say that my papa they worry me say if this native doctor he bath me, I know say I make mistake for there as a child of God. I'm not supposed to do that thing, but I don't get choice because I'll just sit down there. You're like body they itch me. I go just run, go outside. Sometimes I want to enter market. Sometimes I want to run, go here because I don't face see for dream say my enemy craze enter markets. So the thing when they do say they want pour craze for my enemy. Now I begin they run, and so I take run, buy tickets, run go Nigeria. Now they come carry me go one native doctor place. They say if he bath me, everything go do okay. And truly, when he bath, everything can't do okay. The thing can't stop. I can't come back to Switzerland. As I just the land Switzerland, the thing say make I come back. It can't be like say the thing can't be times 10. Can't be like say they pour petrol for side fire again. The thing can't start to the inch. Now cause say this one not be washing again. Now prayer and fasting. Now begin they pray and they fast. Anything that they do now papa hands, now they see. I know say you when they watch me now, you go tell me say why they think say now my papa they do all these things when they happen. Because now waiting Lady T asked me, say why I think say now my papa, say because sometimes you feel dream, because I did see my papa for dream. Even the time when we small, when we say we they grow, they come. He get one man where he die. After the man die, one small boy come out, come confess, say, na he kill the man. And he say, my papa, he join. And other people join. Say, na then, payment the man for Kovu. That time they grow, they come. So now I come they try to they remember say maybe what did that small pikin talk na truth. Because me they see hands for my body. So I know that's all Lady T asked me. Lady T tell me say, you know me say if I dream say I see my papa in a bad way, that be say my papa not be wish. Sometimes people they use my papa face if you can't take cover. Now I make Lady T understand say they don't use my papa face take cover. Now my papa because the way everything be, it shows say now my papa. I explained to Lady T say this thing when they happen, for instance, when I born my twins children, one for inside, it can't press one, so it can't make it face, can't get small mark. So doctor tell me say, it will grow up. As they grow up, the mark go they cover because say they be twins. If I say that one press for belly, so as they grow, that mark go they cover. It not go show. And really, when they grow, they come, the mark on they cover. Now what if you say, you not go even know. Except say I tell you and you go put your eye inside well before you know say such mark there for one of the twin face. Then one day I can't tell my papa, I can't tell him say my children they do okay because I tell him say I born twins, you can't they happy. Now I can't tell him say but the twins see wetin happen, of which this secret I never ever reveal to anybody, even my younger ones. I not tell anybody. I never ever reveal to anybody. I can't tell my papa say these twins now say as one take press one that place mark there, so that's why doctor tell me say go they grow they come say the mark is still there. My papa can say okay, no problem. Do you know that in the night I can't dey dream. My papa carried that particular place when me tell her he use on the hit ground for the twin body. And when they come break, that place it can't change. It not be as it be again. And that my twin pikin. Now so that head it take the nagram as my papa take use a nagram for dream. Now so they use am by itself take the nagram. Now school don't call me. They tell me say they never see pikin wey be say go they do this kind of thing. Small pikin wey never reach how many years. They want begin they say na madness. Say they want go check am. Now this one na enemy madness. You get the name wey they call am. Now there I tell no say na my papa. Because now only you one I tell. Ever since when I not tell her, I not see anything like that. But I can't tell her. Now waiting me come to see be that. And again, every day now, every day, go reach this morning, bed, they cry for my window. Every day, bed, they cry for my window. And this bed, when they cry, so my husband know they hear the cry. Now only me, they hear the bed. Now only me and my children, they hear the bed. I go ask my husband, say, you know they hear bed, they cry. He go say, you know they hear. But my children, they hear me and they hear the bed. Every night, the bed will come my window. He go, they cry. Even this morning, he still they cry. I beg my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people. What do you think about this whole thing? My papa now is still there for village. And me now, I still there my country here. With my children. With my family. Wetin I go do now? How I take come out for inside this thing? Whether I go say na me put myself or I be not be me put myself. How I take come out for inside this thing? Now wetin dey happen for inside life? Now be this one. Now say make I see bring and come out o. Because if you see me now, my body don dey change. I'm just 20-something years. I just be 20-something years. I never reach 30 years. But my body don't dey hold as if say I dey 50 years. My body dey siran. When you say person body, skin dey change. Because I don't know how this my husband go take this kind of situation. Body don't dey siran. Don't dey skin don dey change. I don go hospital, they don check, they say they don't know wetin dey happen. They don't know how the thing be. So I don't know where I for wrong anybody. I don't know where I for wrong anybody. So my precious people, now my story be this. Now I say make I still bring am come, make I share am with the world people. Make una help me shook mouth put where I want for start. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Now the situation where I dey right now, now be this one. The bed still dey cry every night, but I dey pray. It still dey cry. My body not be body again. My body dey change like old woman body. And my son, they say they wan go do that test. Say because as small pikin go just carry, they use the hair, they hit wall. Say this one, e no dey normal for children. Just because of say, I say make my papa come follow me chop. I know say many people go talk say not be papa or maybe na enemies from home. But all these enemy people, I not tell them my situation. And my situation was very good. I was okay before until 2 times when I don't call and say come. The first one at the first husband where I don't reach Europe. I say okay papa, go stay in my house. I don't do Europe. Now they don't want to kick me out. The second one now, this one where I still jam. Now correct my way be say I feel still invite and say papa come see as Europe be. Now there this problem still start. This is the 2 occasion where I don't see. Now the occasion be this one of say I call my papa say come follow me chop. I know say people not go believe say that my papa. But I never tell my secret. I don't get secret where they tell anybody. But now only in one and see what they happen to me. So my beautiful people, mokuna shukuna mapu for inside this matter. Thank you so much for listening to my story. God bless you all. Hello, my lovely people, my beautiful people in the house. I hope you enjoy and I hope you understand the way I take present this story, because many people involved, so that I'll feel express it more better. So thank you so much. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, True Dreams with Lady T. I beg my precious people, Mona shook my put for inside this matter. And please, as you watch this video, put down your like button. That finger when you say put like, up ever for you, backward never for you. And please share this video. Don't be stingy with this video. Share it to all your social media network. This video will still save somebody, will help somebody, because you pick something from it. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will save life, that will touch life. Thank you so much. Please, your opinion in the comment section, and this matter, we'll take it to our Telegram group. We'll still shook our mouths, put for inside for there. Thank you so much for coming around again. Thank you. See you on our next video. Bye. And please, if you watch this video and you have not watched the part 1, please watch the part 1. Then you watch the part 2 so that you will understand that, because the thing long, I just cut and short so that part 1, part 2. Understand? Thank you, my lovely people. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will see you through.